Hey y'all, it's Deanna. Guess what time it is? It's Sam's Bead Box time. This one is January 2023 and it's called Tennessee Treasure. So I'm gonna open it up and then go over it. Be right back. Okay. I got it open and this time mine didn't have the little buttermints. I had Werther's caramels, but that's okay. I forgot to bring a cough drop in here anyway. Tennessee Treasure. If there's one thing to know about Sarah Lovecraft, it's that she loves Dolly Parton. After getting to know Sarah over the past 2 years, I think the two of them share a similar spirit as generous, authentic people with a talent for bringing folks together. Maybe that's because they both grew up in East Tennessee by the Great Smoky Mountains. Sarah, Rachel, and I loved the idea of designing a bead box inspired by the treasures of Tennessee. Dolly herself is often called a Tennessee treasure, so this box in parts pays homage to her. We also drew inspiration from the Smoky Mountain region, which is lush with flowers and over 100 species of native trees. We handpicked new Czech shapes such as the dancing flower and lucky horseshoe that bring our floral Tennessee theme to life. You'll notice a subtle butterfly theme as well, a favorite of Dolly's. Sarah and I are already cooking up classes with this box, so stay tuned. We can't wait to bead with y'all very soon. Okay, and I'm not going to go in order. I'm just going to, not in the order of the list that he provides. Okay, this one is Coffee Jasper Square and Carved Flower, 15 millimeter, 6-piece natural inclusions. Well, I love Jasper. If y'all have watched my videos, yeah, I love Jasper. Oh, look. Oh, God. Those are pretty. Look at the little flowers. Oop, sorry. I banged my little tripod. That's what it's called. More Jasper. Brown Snowflake Jasper Smooth Round, 10.3 millimeter, 7.5 inch strand. And, oh, those are pretty too. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so pretty. And this box, again, was given to me by Rebecca with Diani Adorned Beads. So nice of her. She doesn't have to do that, but she's done it now for 4 months now. Czech glass filigree oval, blue opal, 5.5 by 6.5 millimeter, about 50 pieces. I'm not going to take them all out because they're little. I mean, Jasper's my favorite stone, so that's cool. These are cute. The filigree oval, I guess that's the little indentations, the filigree on the bead. That's cute. I like that blue. Czech glass lucky horseshoe focal, 1 piece, 18 by 20 millimeter, and it says color varies. And that's pretty. Look at this little flower made out of hearts. And another one of my favorites, the shape. Czech glass melon teal gold, 8 millimeter, 20-piece strand. I love melon corrugated beads. Czech glass fire polish faceted round pink crystal AB, 7 millimeter, 29 pieces. Those are pretty. Ooh, they've got like this purple flash in them. Czech glass spacer Druck smoky topaz shimmer, 4mm, about 225 pieces. There we go. Those are pretty too. I didn't pour them all out, y'all. Those are cute. They look like little light brown bubbles. Natural serpentine nugget, 13 by 15 or 15 by 22mm, 4-piece. I don't have any. If I have serpentine, I don't have much, and I can't recall that I do have it, but these were cool. Ooh, look at that one. Those are pretty too. I hope y'all can see this. I've tried to change the orientation of my camera, so hopefully it works. Then we have Czech glass elm leaf rustic gold, 6.5 by 11mm, 18 pieces. I'm not going to take them all out. Those are pretty. And now gold's not my favorite color, but those are pretty. I can't see my camera, y'all. Okay, it looks alright. Czech glass fire polish faceted round, peridot AB, 4mm, 50 piece. I love this one. Those are pretty colors for like beach colors. Because I live in Lower Alabama, so I like to make some stuff beachy. Ooh, another Jasper. This one's so pretty. Natural Aquaterra Jasper serpentine smooth round, 8.3mm, 7.5-inch strand. Look, y'all. Man. And it's like got this matte finish look to it. I think that's my favorite Jasper so far. I've never seen this. I've never had it. Aquaterra Jasper. Goodness. Those are pretty. I gotta stand up and look to see if I can see my screen, y'all. Ignore the whimper because my knee hurts. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to sit back down. Oh, that knee. Then we have Czech glass diamond Brio woodlands mix, 12 by 13, 15-piece set. These are pretty. I like that one right there. Look at it. I didn't get all 15 out of the bag, but that's okay. I'll put that right there. Then, Czech glass maple leaf green opal bronze, 10.5 by 13mm. 15-piece set. These are pretty. I like that bronze in them. And that green, that's a pretty green. I haven't disliked anything so far. Czech glass North Star coin, rustic gold blue, 14mm, 5-piece. Those are pretty too. I like that blue. It'll go real well with those. Some more melons. Czech glass melon pink bronze luster. 5.5mm, 40 pieces. Those are so pretty. So pretty. Czech Glass Stacy Spacer Forget-Me-Not Blue. 5mm. About 100. And again, I'm not going to pour them all out. Those are so pretty too. Look. I see some earrings or a bracelet. Get those in there. Excuse me. Czech Glass Dancing Flower Pink Silk Crystal Bronze. 16 by 20, one piece. That's pretty. That's a pretty little focal. I'm running out of room and I can't. I wish I could see my screen. Czech Glass Table Cut Flower of Life Coin. Mint Silk Picasso Gold 19mm. I like that color. Oops. Czech Glass Royal Diamond Dark Aqua Pink 10 by 19, 4 pieces. Those are pretty. I like that blue with that pink. Those are good colors together. Czech Glass Cowgirl Flower. Pale blue crystal gold 11mm 10-piece set. It's very pale blue, but it's blue. And I guess the cowgirl means the square. Is that right, y'all? Those are pretty. Then the Tiara Cast Western Boot Charm Oxidized Brass Plate. 11.5 by 18.5mm. Just a little boot. That's cute. I wish there were two. That'd be cute earrings. I don't think I have any boot charms. And then the Butterfly Toggle Set Oxidized Brass Plate. 14 by 24. Those are pretty. There's nowhere to set it, y'all. Oh gosh. I'm sorry. So hard to do this without banging your tripod. Czech Glass Bellflower Pink Silk Crystal Mix Bronze 11 by 13mm 8-piece set. Now these are cool. I'm gonna hold this one up here. And it's just a little flower. It's a good size, but it's a flower. Those are pretty. Those are different. I haven't seen anything like that. Not in that size, anyway. There's not much room. And Czech Glass Blue Butterfly Lavender Amethyst AB 11 by 15 6-piece set. If I can get it open. There we go. There you go. One side's got the AB and one's got that lavender color. They're pretty. The AB finish just is not my favorite, but that's okay. They're pretty. I have a friend who would like that. She loves butterflies and she would like that. So. Alright, y'all, that is it. This is one of my favorites of the 4 that I've gotten. It's probably the most favorite because it's got this Jasper in it. I love Jasper. It's my favorite stone. Oh, such fun. What to make, what to make. And when to have time to make. They're so pretty. So pretty. They did a good job. A good job. Let's see if I can straighten this up a little. I don't know. We'll try. So y'all doing all right? And in this craziness of the world that we live in, where even the children have lost their minds, it seems. I'll put that one there. Let's put this one here. Even that peridot green goes with that. I do like it. I do like it. Oh, I forgot the pink one. Let's put that one right there. And then we'll scoot all this in a little bit. So pretty, so pretty. There we go. There we go. Oh, where's my boot? There's my boot. There's my clasp. Okay, y'all. Well, I hope you're doing okay. I hope y'all like this box. It sure is pretty. I saw a comment on Facebook where someone put, "Oh my goodness," or something like that was all they said, and I was like, oh, where's my box? And it showed up today, thank goodness. I'll have to find some time to make something. Alright, y'all. Y'all take care. Don't forget to comment if you want. Like, subscribe, share. Help my channel grow. That's going to be the biggest thing that anybody could do. And watch my videos, because my watch time is dropping. Because I don't have a bunch of people watching. I have 331 subscribers now. I had 332. And I know some come and go. But if you like, subscribe, comment, share, watch some videos. Give me some pointers on what I could do better. Would be greatly appreciated. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one. What is today? It's the 9th, so I can't post this until, when is it? The 15th. So I'll post it on the 15th. Y'all have a good one. Bye now.